All right, welcome back to yeah, we're doing Codeforces, and we have a browser game where wait, actually let me do the example 9. You have a 2 by n grid where n is odd, and there's like n toys up here, and in a move you can pick a direction, and all the toys will move in one direction. Yeah. Uh, And the goal is like given a particular index and a target, you want to move this thing to that leftmost cell. Okay. Right, so yeah. Yeah, so the bounds are there's up to 100,000 for n, and then you get at most a million button presses. So it's like, do I think there might be a log factor? How big is 2 to the 10th? I have to get it either in like O of n or O of n log n time, I think. Yes, the game can be up to 100,000 rows. Uh... So I don't know what I'm doing actually. So like, okay, if I want to get A, that's easy. If I want to get G, I can do that by doing like, boom, boom. Actually, no, I can't even get G. I can get C. Shit. Oh, this is gonna be rough. Um. Hmm. Okay, 3VT says, can't you do right, down, and then right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. Hang on. That does appear to be correct. So if you do, yeah, so this puts C. Again, C looks like that. And then if you do right down, right up, right down, that puts B. And if you do another right up, right down. And let me do this a larger grid. It's probably easier to see if I do a larger grid actually. Ta-da! Alright, right down. And it's like right up, right down. And that puts E on the chopping block, F here, and then G. And right up, right down. And then right up, right down. Okay, so we can do that. That does seem to get the left half of the grid in time. So what about the right half? Like, if I want to get M, actually, what I do is that, right? Oh shit, no, there's an F in the way. F. I want to get M here. How do I do it? Down. No, that's no good. me think a little bit more. So we did this, and then the idea was like, so if I'm in a state like this and I do that, I can kind of do a construction like this where I have like that. I don't know what I'm doing. I already forgot what I did. Oh, that might be ill-advised. I think I got I there at some point, but I forgot what I did to get there. Alright. I actually got something in... I got I there, but I don't remember what I did to do that. Okay. Wait. Hang on. Down. Right up, right down, right up, right down, right up, right down, right up, right down. I suppose I'm in this state where A, B, C, D, E, F. I wish the simulator would record what moves I made. Yeah, I feel like it's probably constant n times n and not n log n though, because it feels like I can get it in about like. Yeah, so I definitely got I in there. Does J go? I don't think J ever goes in there. This is when I put B on. I got H and I. Okay. Shit. Right down. What did I do? I don't know. Sometimes I'm not keeping track of the moves, so I don't remember what moves I made. Put M in the first slot while shifting everything by 1 if needed. Yeah. How did I get? I can't remember what I'm doing. Right down, right up, right down, right up, right down, right up, right down. Like if I'm here. Okay, if I do this cycle thing, right, I end up in a state like this, and then I go to, like, I got GHI, and in general, I should be able to, like, if I do right up, yeah, I can get a situation where, G is here. So if you apply the same procedure now, right, like right up, right up. Yeah, I can move G there. I think that should finish in time because I'm only using like, down. Well, that's how you get M, I guess. Yeah, down, left, up, wait, hang on. Down, left, up, down, left, up, right, down, left. Wait, okay, hang on. Down, left, up, left. Down, left, up, left, down. You always end up with G there. Wait, no, that's not true. That put E there. What? Hang on. That puts C? Wait, I'm so confused. What's going on? C, E, H. Okay, but then that's G. Wait, what? Let me actually run the sequence. Down, left, up. Down, left, up. Left, down, left. right, down. Okay, so right, down, left, no. Thank you, X-Creeperman, for the sub. 4 months. Can I get a TLDR of what's happening? So there's... By what's happening, do you mean this problem or this stream? Okay, here's the problem we're working on. The way the stream works is people throw random problems at me at the start of the stream. So the stream starts at 5 p.m. Pacific / 8 p.m. Eastern every Friday. While it's still running. I'm probably going to be on summer vacation soon. And people throw random problems at me, and then we try to solve them in real time with varying amounts of success. Sometimes it works really well, and then sometimes I just like bang my head against the wall for like 5 hours before giving up. Yeah. Okay, Alright, I'm just gonna... I think that sounds correct though, so let's just run it over. I can do this in Python, can't I? What is desired runtime here? It doesn't really matter because n is at most 100,000 and the number of operations is... Actually, if 3VT is right, the number of operations isn't even linear in n. Or like the runtime of the program is not even linear in n. The character limit is 1 million. Yeah, 10n. Is this like lead code? Yeah, that kind of thing. Most of the problems I do are math problems, but occasionally people will give me competitive programming problems as well, and I'm like, okay, sure, why not? We can have a little bit of variety. Printing things takes time. Okay, I guess. Yeah, thank you for the follow. Alright, this is 1817D, right? What's this? NK is that. Okay, so there's gonna be is it the same n? How do you get to this point of knowledge? I kind of... Well, I guess it depends on what your goalpost is. So most of the problems I get are competitive math problems, and I was one of the kids that like kind of did competitive math full-time when I was in high school. Software... the programming problems I get are mostly like math problems pretending to be code problems. Like this one, for example, where the program is literally going to be A is going to be like something, and B is going to be like something. And we're going to do like S equals... So LDLUR times A plus RDLU times B plus RDL. And I just need to figure out what A and B are. Okay, so does someone want to work out what these are for me, or should I just reverse engineer it by the really advanced strategy called randomly guess? Left half needs a... Oh, okay. fine. Okay, well, I mean, okay. So n is the number of columns, right? So the number of toys is n minus 3. So 1, 2. So for the left half, that's if k is less than or equal to n minus 3 over 2. We're gonna assert n as well, just so I don't fuck myself over somehow. And then whatever. The other case is this. Isn't there? Oh, yeah. I remember seeing that problem and being really happy. Okay, so fuck. What did we agree worked for the left half? R U R D L. Times some constant plus L. I forget exactly what it is, but we can find out just by playing the game. Dude, I'm so glad they gave you a toy simulator. Like, otherwise this problem would be like a million times harder. Because you can't test, you can't like check your work easily. You just have to... hang on. Okay, so this should be... okay, this should work up to 7 actually, right? So this should work up to n minus 1 over 2, and this is just n minus 1 over 2 minus k, I think. Let me verify that. 1817d dot pi for like, so like if I want 15 and 7, it should fuck. It should give RDL, which is correct. No, that's not correct. Wait, shit, did I fuck up? Oh! Is it 3? The first, yeah, okay. God damn it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we'll just do up to that half. And then... n minus k. Our request closed for... if you want to send in more requests, I guess go ahead. Because I don't know how long the rest of the stuff that got sent in is going to take. There wasn't that much sent in earlier, so it's possible we might like all kill everything and then I'll do some other random stuff. Wait, so when you say RDLU to the... Is that n minus... Hang on. Shit. We solved 2 math problems before this. They were both really fast. Okay, I think it should be this. We can find out actually. So like if I want 15 and 15, does this do what I want? Fuck. Nope. Nope. Shit. So is n the number of toys or the number of columns here? Can I just let m equals the number of toys or something so I don't... Yeah, this should all... Ugh. M. These should probably be m, right? Oh shit, what did I type? Oh yeah, OD. My bad. I feel like this could be an Olympiad problem in training. I don't think is m. No, the number of toys is... Oh shit. Yeah. Fuck. I think the problem is like it's so annoying to write up a proof that it works. Like I mean it's like... Wait. I mean it works, but also like it's so annoying. Alright, cool. That actually I did not expect that to work. 15, 13. Shit. I need to reset first. Huh? No. Why did... Something's off, yeah. I'm confused. It worked for 7. It did what I thought it was supposed to do for 7. Why did 15... Did I just fail copy pasting? Is that what happened? Wait, why are these outputs the same? Wait, something's wrong. These outputs should not be the same, right? Oh, shit, what did I do? MK 13. Oh, wait, I'm a... There's no toy 15. Okay. That... No, it's fine. There's no toy 15. I'm just stupid. That's just... No, this is fine. Yeah, there's no toy 15. Very important. Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah. Ta-da! Honestly, I feel like this is the kind of thing a neural net would be really good at learning. It's just like you just randomly try sequences and see what happens, and then, you know, yeah, whatever. Because I feel like I didn't actually think very hard. I was just like, we're gonna press random buttons and see if one of them does what I want, and then, you know. The simulator was written by ChatGPT? Are you serious? Wait, oh, was this recent? When was this contest? How do I see when the contest took place? There's an announcement. 10 days ago. Oh, I didn't realize it was that recent. Okay. Is this gonna go in IOI? It might. I don't know. Yeah, okay, it's probably fine for IO. I just feel like I would, if I was like a contest organizer and I put this in like the actual team selection test, that I would feel sorry for everyone who had, like, it's not fun to do on paper. It's just not, I think. You can, but it's so much more fun with a toy simulator. I mean, it doesn't have to go somewhere. I don't put every problem from this stream on in my handout. Cut out little squares. Yeah. So many passwords today. Yeah, no, like it's fine for the like practice. It's just I wouldn't want it on like a paper and pencil test where the students, like, you know, aren't allowed to use a computer.